Hey guys, in this video I will show you all waffles recipes and grow a garden. So today we'll cook first option with a pumpkin and watermelon, or second option, let's go maybe with a first with a pumpkin and watermelon. A normal one, as you can see here, there is legendary, mythical, divine, and prismatic. I will leave this website in the description below so you can easily get all the recipes, or simply you can pause the video and look for recipe here. So let's get first option. It's with a pumpkin and watermelon. Be near the pot, open backpack, watermelon, put it, and then pumpkin. Pumpkin here, put it, and then what you need to do here is to press and wait. As you can see here, it will be in 6 minutes. And after it's done, you just need to go to near the pot again, get waffle here, then on your inventory, you should see waffle here. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.